Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to resolve this particular communication issue when you try to connect ESP8266 or Arduino development board to the PC through USB cable. Let's get started. So this is a common issue that you face when you connect an ESP8266 NodeMCU or Arduino development board to PC through USB cable. You can see when you open the device manager, and when I try to connect the NodeMCU through micro USB cable to the PC, you can see in other devices tab it is showing as CP210x USB to UART bridge driver with a warning symbol, which means this particular USB driver is not installed in your Windows PC, and you need to install that to establish the communication between the NodeMCU or ESP8266 with your Windows PC or laptop. So for downloading this particular driver, you can go to the Google Chrome and you can type in like Silicon Labs CP210x driver and click on the first link, that is silabs.com, and here select the downloads or click on the downloads tab, and when you scroll down you can see the different versions of this particular driver available right over here. So I'm just going to click on the CP210x VCP Windows for downloading the Windows version of the drivers. When I click on that, you can see the download is started and it is complete. I'm going to the downloads folder and I'm extracting this particular download which has been done. Open it. If your Windows operating system is a 64-bit operating system, just try to install this. If your operating system is a 32-bit based operating system, you can install this. I'm just going to install the x64 version for my 64-bit Windows operating system. If it is prompting you like, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device, click on yes. And in the first tab, just click on the next button. Here just click on the radio button, I accept the agreement, and click on next, and you can see the installation is in progress, and that's it. The installation of CP210x USB to UART bridge driver is done. And now when I open the device manager, you can see the warning symbol with the CP210x USB to UART bridge driver notification is disappeared, and inside the ports COM or LTP you can see the Silicon Labs device is connected. When I remove the NodeMCU from the PC, it will be disappearing. When I connect, it will be appearing. You can see I connected back. So in the ports I am getting the Silicon Labs driver. So I hope in this video you learned to establish the communication between the NodeMCU or Arduino development board with your PC through USB cable by installing the Silicon Labs CP210x USB to UART driver, and how to resolve the communication issue between the device and the Windows PC. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.